Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga Goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta ang mga water signs natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron ng ating mga water signs, no? So, tignan natin. So, let's see anong meron sa ating mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, may isa nung lumabas. So, you have the Six of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, tignan natin yan. Later, wait lang. Kuha muna tayo ng mga cards nyo, mga water signs, no? Please, universe, what else? For the water signs, anong meron? Para sa mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please. What else? Universe, Holy Spirit, please. So, ano na yan? Ilan na yan? Tignan natin yun na yan. Mga cards nyo, water signs. So, you have this one, naka-reverse din, no? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So, 8 of Cups in reverse, no? Water sign. And also, 4 of Cups in reverse, no? So, bakit? No? You have lots of, lahat naka-reverse, no? Mga water sign. So, you have the Six of Pentacles, no? So, in reverse, lahat ay in reverse, no? So, tignan natin to, no? Meron ditong, kumbaga, parang right now, ang nakikita ko dito, ang water sign, no? Parang, mas pinipili nyo ngayon ang sarili nyo, no? Something like that, mga water sign, no? So, parang you had enough na, no? Giving to others, no? Something like that, giving your time and effort to others, no? Something like that. And then not giving you in return, no? Something like that, no? So there is no give and take in this situation from you, for you, no? Water sign, that's what I see here, no? So yeah, I think some of you, water sign is choosing yourself, no? Choosing yourself, being, you're just being, being respecting yourself, no? Kumbaga, you're now choosing, or you're now knowing your worth, no? Something like that, because people around you are just using you, are just there because they need something, no? They can get benefits, no, from you. But then when you are the one who is in need, no, you can, depend on them, no? So something like that, no? So yeah, I think water sign, no? So this time you are choosing yourself, no? You are just learning to know your worth, learning to love yourself more, no? That's what I see here, no? Water sign. And then also, with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, no? So I think is, yeah, still you are confused of, yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Four of Cups in reverse, no? So you are still confused of which way to go, no? Something like that, because you want to be alone, eh. You want to have this time for yourself alone, but then you are choosing, or you are so confused right now, choosing which way to go, no? Something like that, no? So, and then you still thinking of the people around you, no? What will they say if you are choose this way, choose that way, no? But then you just want to have this freedom something like that, no? But then people around you are blocking your way, no? That's what I see here, no? Water sign. They are blocking your way. Maybe they don't want you to go out, to go somewhere, or to be distant with them because they are taking some of you, no, right? No, they want you, they need you, no, so they don't want you to go, no, they don't want you to be distant with them because they need you, no, for their own benefits, no, and then not giving you in return. That's why you are had enough, no, water sign with this situation of you, no. That's what I see here, no. So yeah, take what's resonate for you, no, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So let's see what else with your situation right now, water sign. What else? For the water sign, please. What else? Universe, Holy Spirit. What else for the situation of the water signs, please? Holy Spirit. Let's see what else for the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please. So, I need more cards pa. No, more cards, no? What else? For the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? Too many cards here, no? So, I think, ayan lang yung cards natin. So, let's see what is this card. So, you have 6 of Wands, no? So, you have, maybe for some of you, water sign, you will be having, some type of events, no? You are going to attend some events, no? Like reunion, get together, no? Something like that, no? Or, yeah. Or for some of you, you are involved with a same gender, no? Yeah. For some of you, no? That's what I see here, no? Or, yeah, no? If you can see, no? A lot of, different, um, race, no, something like that, no, different country are getting together, no, being in a one, I think one agenda, something like that, because if you can see here, no, a lot of people, but then different race, no, different, came from a different country, no, so yeah, that's what I see here, no. So maybe, but literally for some of you, you will be going to some kind of events, no, something like that, no, celebration, something like that. You will celebrate something with your friends, maybe, no, for some of you, water sign. So what else? Let's see. Um, your situation, no? I think I have to get back on this deck. Water sign. So, what else, please, universe? For the water signs, please, what else? For the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please, regarding their situation. What else, please? You have 3 cards down, so what else? So, yeah. So, you have this temperance, yeah, temperance, and high priestess, and of course, 7 of wands, no? So, you have 6 of wands and then 7 of wands, no? For some of you, I think water sign, no? Because you had enough and you're so tired right now, no? And bottom of the deck, if you can see, no? 10 of wands, no? So, there is this, no? You want to leave, no? Something, no? You want to go somewhere else, no, to be by yourself, no. So you are so tired right now, no, exhausted. So maybe for some of you water sign, you really need some time alone, no? So you need to meditate, connect more to yourself, no? Connect deeper connection within yourself, no? Within your intuition, no? So you can be more, you can enhance your sensitivity, your intuition, something like that, no? With the temperance, no? And this 7 of Wands, no? Really, it says that you really need some time for yourself, no? I think is, yeah, take care more of yourself because you are being so exhausted lately, no? Being tired of the people around you. That's why maybe with the 8 of Cups in reverse, no? So it's time for you to go somewhere, be on your own, no? Something like that. Even just for a while, no? Take a deep breath, no? Take some adventure, alone time with yourself, no? Water sign. That's what I see here. You really need a break, no? Something like that because you are so tired, no? So that's what I see here, no? Water sign, no? So yeah, you are being guided with this, no? If you can see your guides, your angel guides, universe is with you, no? So they are so worried, no, about you because you are so drained, no, your energy. So it's time for you to get back your energy, claim back your energy, no? So you need to go out, go with the nature, get some adventure, be happy on your own, with your own, um, yeah, without anybody else opinion, anybody else, permission, something like that, maybe because before taking some action, you are asking someone, no? I think before you going to whatever you want, no? Before taking something you want, no? You are still asking, no? First, if you can get that thing, no? Something like that. But then right now, universe is telling you to be your own boss, of course, because this is you, no? That's your life. You don't need someone to be to manipulate, because they are just using you, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, with the high priestess here, no? So whatever you believe, whatever you are believing in, no? So just continue that, no? So claim your energy. Yeah, ito yung nakikita ko rito, right? No? So, you have to be, what can you say this as? You really need to, yeah, because I think you are so drained, no? You're so tired, no, water sign, and you don't know what to do. You just want to have some time, no? To have a break, no? Something like that. And universe sees you, no? So you are being so workaholic because of the people around you. You are working so tired na, but then they, the people around you didn't just notice how tired you are, no? Something like that, no? So I don't know bakit ako nag-i-English dito. No? Natatawa tuloy ako. Yeah, basta yun, no, mga water sign, no? Sobrang pagod na kayo rito. Nahihirapan na ako. Bakit ako nag-i-English, no? Bigla akong napaisip, no? So yeah, ayun nga yung sinasabi sa inyo dito ni universe, no? Water sign, no? So you really have to be your own self, no? It's time for you to, maybe talagang kailangan mo talaga ng maraming time para sa sarili mo. Ito yung sinasabi, no? Sobrang nagpasensya ka na sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kailangan mo naman ng time para sa sarili mo. Lahat na ng time with the wheel of fortune here, no? Kinalimutan mo yung sarili mo, kinalimutan mo yung sarili mong kaligayahan, yung sarili mong goal, no? Something like that, no? So, medyo malakas ang ulan, no? So, I don't know kung naririnig nyo pa ako, mga goddess ko, no? So, yeah. Kumaga ito ay kailangan naman ng time mo para sa sarili mo. Marami ka nang nagawa para sa tao sa paligid mo. Maybe from your immediate family, no? Ikaw lahat nagpo-provide, no? Something like that, water sign, no? So, ikaw naman, no? Nakalimutan mo na dito yung sarili mo. Maybe, for some of you, until now, single pa rin kayo. Wala kayong family, no? Lahat kasi binuhos nyo na lang sa family nyo, sa siblings nyo, ikaw lahat nagpo-provide, no? Something like that. So, ngayon, sinasabi sa ni universe, uy, water sign, ikaw naman, tama na yan. Ginigising ka dito, no? Ni universe. Ikaw naman, tinapik ka na rito, eh. Kasi ang dami mo nang namimiss na opportunity na dapat ay matagal mo nang nakuha. But then, dahil you are considering, you are kumbaga, inuuna mo yung ibang tao kaysa sa'yo palagi, right? So, ikaw ngayon, ano nangyari sa'yo? Mag-isa ka. Sila magsaya, ikaw malungkot, no? May nagtanong ba sa'yo? Minsan, water sign na, uy, kamusta ka na? Uy, or ate, kuya, kamusta ka na? May paghain kita? Something like that, no? Even little things na may ginawa ba silang something like that? Para lang ba maibalik kahit hindi naman lahat? Yung ma-appreciate man lang yung mga sacrifices na ginawa mo sa kanila, water sign. I think some of you hindi man lang nagawa ito ng mga tao na halos buong buhay mo, sinakripisyo mo para sa kanila. At ikaw nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo, water sign. So, it's time for yourself naman daw, sabi sa'yo ni universe, no? Take care of yourself. Sobrang drain ka na, lahat binigay mo na. Wala kang tinitira sa sarili mo, water sign. No? So, yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So, with the 6 of Wands, go out, have fun with your friends, no? Walang masama. Maybe, in that way, no? Maybe sa ibang bansa nga kung ikaw ay nasa ibang bansa, water sign, baka may makikilala ka dun. Someone na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Someone na para sa'yo. No? Something like that. Kasi napakalungkot na ng buhay mo, water sign. You need someone to take care of you. Someone who can be with you. Someone na hindi lang hingi ng hingi sa'yo, but then who will take care of you. No? Something like that, no, fire sign, no? So, yeah. So, tignan natin anong advice for you ni universe, no, water sign, no? Tignan natin. Advice ni universe, message or advice for you, water sign, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, let's see what's the advice for you ni universe, no, water sign. What's the advice or message for you, water sign? Please, universe, what's your advice for the water signs natin, right? Please, what's your advice, no? So, I think wala rito, no? Dito natin kunin. Because you have to take care of yourself talaga right now, no, water sign. So, what's the advice or message for the water sign, no? So, you have 2 cards na lumabas, no? Water sign, no? So, you have this sound healing and music, no? So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, water sign, no, ni universe. Makakatulong ito sa'yo when you spend some time alone, no? Listen to music, no? Ito yung nakakapagpakalma siguro sa'yo, water sign, no? So, take what's resonate, no? So, or maybe this sound healing din, no? So, while meditating, no? So, for some of you, mag-sound bath kayo, makakatulong sa inyo to para sa inyong inner growth, inner sense, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, malaking ginhawa for you to, no, water sign, no. So ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe dito. You need some time alone, take care of yourself, music, no, sound bath, malaking ginhawa para sa iyo to, water sign, no. Kung makikita mo may colors, kumbaga ito yung chakras mo no. So mas ma-enhance mo, mapapa ano mo yung iyong chakras, no, while listening to music, having sound bath, no, sound healing with the with the yung ang tawag dito like this, no, yung nakalimutan ko yung tawag rito na something like that, no. So kailangan mo raw ng ganito, no, makakatulong sa relaxation mo, no, water sign, no. So yeah, kailangan mo lang talaga ng matinding break, no, matinding pahinga, no, water sign. And of course, someone to take care of you, no. So water sign, so that's it for you, water sign. I hope may naka-resonate dito, no, mga water sign. And yeah, pahinga talaga, pahinga rin kapag may time kasi mahirap kalaban lalo na ang health natin, right? Kapag sobra tayong workaholic, no, mga water sign. So ako kasi may kilala akong ganyan na sobrang I know kahit hindi kami masyado nag-usap ng tao na yun is nararamdaman ko na sobrang pagod na pagod yung tao na yun because he is working really hard, no, para sa family niya. And I'm so proud of that person, no. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for you, water sign, no. So take care of yourself. God is with you. God is watching you and guiding you sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin, no? But then, wag mo daw kakalimutan ang sarili mo. So please take care of yourself, water sign. So yeah, thank you for watching, water signs.